Hello, my name is Rick Fazy. Recently, I was diagnosed with stage 4 esophageal cancer. During my last doctor's visit, he was pleased to see me maintain my weight and told me to try and keep it at current levels. I asked him if I could drink protein shakes. He said yes. Anything to boost my energy while I'm undergoing chemo treatment. I would like to tell you about two such products I've been using for a week now. First one is Herbalife Formula 1 Healthy Meal Nutritional Shake Mix, and the second one is Personalized Protein Powder, both made by Herbalife. Formula 1 is a delicious, healthy meal providing an ideal balance of protein and nutrition to help satisfy hunger and give you lasting energy. Personalized Protein Powder is plain, unsweetened formula to assist you with fitness and health goals. While it is intended for weight loss, I'm using it to maintain my weight while increasing my energy. I just add it to my shake or mix with my meal. The shake mix is great and comes in numerous flavors. I happen to like Dutch chocolate. Herbalife promotes health and wellness, and they have several other products to help you with weight management, nutrition, energy and fitness, and personal care. If you are interested in Herbalife products or just starting your own Herbalife business, please feel free to look me up at http richardfazy herbalhub.com. Again, that's http richardfazy herbalhub.com. Thank you and have a great day.